Once upon a time, deep in a green forest, a group of hardworking bees built something special. They had found a hollow oak tree and turned it into their home. Day after day, those worker bees flew miles collecting sweet nectar. They worked until their wings felt heavy. Slowly, carefully, they built a perfect golden comb filled with rich honey. But one morning, a swarm of lazy drones appeared. "We made that comb," the biggest drone buzzed. "It belongs to us now." The worker bees froze. Their leader, a steady bee named Beatrice, stepped forward. "You know that's not true," she said, her voice tired but firm. "We built every single cell. You never helped. You never even tried." The drones laughed. "That comb is ours. We're taking it." The workers felt a hot wave of anger and sadness. All their sweat, all their long days in the sun. And now, someone wanted to steal it. So they did what anyone would do when fairness was at stake. They took the matter to Judge Wasp, the wisest and strictest judge in the forest. The workers and drones gathered before him on a flat rock under the shade of an old maple. Judge Wasp looked at both groups with sharp eyes. "You all look so much alike," he said slowly. "Same shape, same color. Hard to tell who's been flying in and out of that oak tree. But I have a way to find the truth." He leaned forward. "Each side will go to an empty hive with no honey. Build a new comb there. The ones who make comb and honey exactly like the one in the oak tree, those are the real owners." The workers looked at each other, their wings lifted with hope. "All right," Beatrice said without hesitation. "We'll do it. We'll show you." But the drones buzzed nervously. They shifted from side to side. One drone finally spoke. "We're not doing that. We don't have time for silly tests." A heavy silence fell over the clearing. Judge Wasp's eyes narrowed. The truth suddenly became crystal clear. "It is plain to see," he said, his voice deep and final, "who truly built that comb. The honey belongs to the workers." The drones exploded in angry buzzing. They circled wildly, their faces twisted with rage and shame. In the end, they flew away defeated, disappearing into the shadows of the forest. The worker bees returned to their oak tree with lighter hearts. Their home was safe. Their hard work had been honored. You have met this person before. Maybe you were thinking of them right now. There are people who take credit for work they never did. They talk the loudest, they grab the win, they act like they built it all, while the person who really did the work stands there in silence. Some do it because they are lazy. Others do it because loud lies fool most people. But there is one thing these people can never do. They cannot make what they did not build. So the next time someone like this stands in your way, don't fight them with words. Just say, "Show me." Watch how fast they run. The ones who steal the credit are always the ones who cannot do the work. If you've done the real work while someone else got the praise, write, "I built it" in the comments. Let the real workers stand up. And that person who always claims what they never earned, you already pictured them. Send them this. If stories like this hit home, subscribe and stay a while. Thanks for watching. Keep building. The truth always shows who did the work.